If you or a loved one is facing long-term care costs, make sure you talk with certified elder law attorney Chris Berry from the Elder Care Firm, like Kevin Prokopp did.
My mother, who's like 90 years old, she needed to qualify for Medicaid insurance. I thought it was a good idea to hire a professional to help us go through that process. And that's why we hired the Elder Care Firm. I would recommend them. They're very patient in this delicate situation, dealing with an elderly parent who might not understand what's going on completely. And they were very patient with us and kind, and I would definitely recommend them.
Hello, I'm attorney Chris Berry. I can help you develop the best plan possible. Call 810-214-3800 to schedule a free 15-minute phone consultation or to reserve your seat at our next workshop. The Elder Care Firm is here to help you and your family find solutions.
Visit theeldercarefirm.com today or call 810-214-3800.